For the last 20 years, we have been lied to about security. We were told that if we just made our passwords look like this in the screen you can see, we would be safe. But in 2026, a password, even a perfect one, is practically useless on its own. It's not a vault door anymore. It's a screen door only. Today I am going to show you the exact mechanism that stops 99% of all the account hacks. By the end of this video, multi-factor authentication won't just be a buzzword. It will finally make sense. And you will wonder how you ever browsed the internet without it. To understand the solution, we have to understand the problem first. When you use only a password, you have what engineers call a single point of failure. If a hacker gets the key, they get everything. And here's the terrifying part. Hackers usually don't guess your password because they don't have to. Have you ever used the same password for a small unsecure website that you use for your main email? Yeah, we do that generally. Hackers break into the weak website, steal the database of email and passwords, and then write automated bots to try those exact combinations on Gmail, Amazon, and your bank account also. And this is called credential stuffing. Your password didn't just fail because it was weak. It failed because it was stolen from somewhere else. And this is where multi-factor authentication steps in. Real security is not about having one impenetrable wall. It's about making a hacker prove who they are in different ways. In cybersecurity, there are only 3 ways to prove who you are. First, something you know, like a password or a PIN. Then, something you have, like your mobile phone or physical USB security key. And then, something you are actually, like your fingerprint or face scan. The secret that makes this finally click is the word multi. Having 2 different passwords is not multi-factor. That's just 2 things you know. True MFA requires mixing these categories, these 3 categories which are shown in the screen. You combine something you know with something you have. You combine something you know with something you are. So the hacker in another country buys your password. They enter it. The door unlocks, but immediately they hit a second wall. The system says, great, you know the secret word, now type in the 6-digit code I just sent to the phone in your pocket. The hacker is completely stuck. They have your password, but they don't have your physical phone. Attack is blocked. And this is exactly why government security agencies like CISA issue strict guidelines mandating MFA. And it mathematically breaks the hacker's business model. Let's look at how incredibly simple this is to set up in the real world. We are going to secure an account using an authenticator app. And we are going to turn on this 2-step verification in our Gmail account of Decoded Security. We'll go to manage your Gmail account. In security and sign in option, you will see that this option comes under multi-factor authentication, that is 2-step verification. It is currently off. If we click it, then we get the option to turn on this 2-step verification. So currently we have different options for passkeys, for second step, passkeys, Google prompt, authenticator. So previously I've added it, so I've removed it to show you how it is done. So if we turn on the 2-step verification, then we'll get this option and done. So we have option for SMS text also. We can set that up, but text messages can be intercepted. The ultimate level of security is an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator just that I use, or Authy, that is also another app. So let's set the authenticator app for now. Okay, we are going to change this thing. We are going to remove it. And we are going to set it for the first time like you are doing. So when you click on setup authenticator, you will get this QR code. So you have to download the authenticator app, fill all the information. Then when you open the authenticator app, you'll get this option like this shown in the screen. Different accounts are logged in, codes are there. Then you have this plus icon, and if you click on it, you will get two options. This is either scan the QR code, or if you cannot scan it, then you can enter the setup key, and this is the setup key. You can enter that also, but we'll go with the QR code. And once from your device you scan this QR code, and you will get one code on your authenticator app. When we click next, you can enter that code. So currently I'm writing that 088 and verify. Yeah, and you can see authenticator app has been set up. So this is very easy to set it up. And your phone and the website are now cryptographically linked. Your phone, if you see on your phone the authenticator app, it will generate a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. So if a hacker sees the code over your shoulder also, 30 seconds later, it is useless. Now, the number one question I get is, what if I lose my phone? Am I locked out of my life forever? The answer is no, because of this one crucial step. Whenever you set up MFA, the website will give you a list of backup codes. These are one-time use emergency keys. Do not save these on your computer. Print them out or write them down on a physical piece of paper and put them in a secure drawer. If your phone drops in the ocean, you just use one of these paper codes to log in. Turn off the old MFA and set it up on your new phone. So enabling MFA takes about exactly 2 minutes per account. Just like you saw, it was even less than 2 minutes. Start with your primary email. That is the master key to everything else. Then do your bank, then your social media. And once this is on, you move from hope-based security, just hoping nobody guesses your password, to architecture-based security. If you get an alert that someone tried to log in from halfway across the world, you don't panic. You smile knowing your digital bodyguard just did its job. If this mental model helped you finally understanding the MFA, hit that like button so that algorithms share it with the others who needs to lock down their accounts. And I'm seriously suggesting everyone who all are watching this that you should enable MFA or two-factor authentication for all of your app account or website accounts immediately. It's very important. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, we'll keep it simple.